Next point, that is the revolution of October 1917. In other words, we can say October Revolution. As the conflict between the provisional government and the Bolshevik grew, and Lenin feared the provisional government would set up a dictatorship. Lenin thought like that the provisional government they may make dictatorship. In September, he began discuss for an up, upspring uprising against the government, and Bolshevik supporters in the army, so Soviets and factories were brought together. And what he done in September itself, he started to think like that it maybe the government may become the dictatorship. Instead of that, what he is doing, he's making arranging all the people coming together and thinking together. And 16th October 1917, Lenin persuaded the Petrograd Soviets and the Bolshevik Party to agree to a socialist seized power. And in 1917, October 16th, what they are discussing, the both group, the Petrograd Soviets as well as the Bolshevik Party, they are together they are making agreement like that the socialists they will take power in their hand. And the military revolutionary committee was appointed by the Soviet. The military already soldiers committee was there, again they are making one more committee, that is military revolutionary committee. And under the leadership of Leon Trotsky, and to organize the Caesars. Those who want to come and join with this power, they want to organize them. For that purpose, they are starting another one committee, that is the Military Revolutionary Committee. The date and event was kept secret. Everything they made in secret only. And the uprising began on 24th October, sensing October sensing trouble, and Prime Minister Kerensky had left the city to the uh, summoned troops. And at dawn early morning, military men loyal to the government seized the building of the two Bolshevik newspaper. With the and pro-government troops were sent to take over telephone and telegraphic office and protect the Winter Palace. Means the Bolshevik Party and the Socialist Party, they are trying to take power in their hands. For that, when the Prime Minister went away from and they went early morning with the help of military, and they are seizing they are taking power in the main government building, or they are starting their building. Means they are making their parliament and government, and they are using for that purpose they are using the newspapers also. And they are going to telephone exchange and telephone office and over telephone and telegraph office. And again they are going and protesting the Winter Palace. Means different government offices and the officials they are taking under them. And in a swift response, the Military Revolutionary Committee ordered its supporters to seize government offices. Each and every government office was undertaken by the people and under the leadership of Military Revolutionary Committee. And the largest and arrest the ministers. I mean, instead of these ministers, people want to take power in their hand. Late in the day, the ship Aurora shelled in the Winter Palace. The ship was shelled by shooted by the in the Winter Palace, and other vessels sailed down in the Neva. Means through river, it is sending out of the that area to cover the various military points. That for the military purpose, they taken all the ships. By the nightfall, the city was under the committee's control. Military Revolutionary Committee taken power by one day. Daytime they done all these activities. Night they got power in their hand, and the ministers had surrendered. Ministers, some of the ministers they arrested already. Some other ministers they surrendered themselves. And at the meeting of the new Russian Congress of Soviet in Petrograd, and the majority approved the Bolshevik action. The meeting started in the name of All Russian Congress of Soviet in where they gathered Petrograd, and they said like that what the Bolshevik done that is correct. And uprising took place in other cities also, not only in Petrograd. Started in Petrograd, it moved to other, started in other cities also. There was very heavy fighting. Some of the places it was very heavy fighting, especially in Moscow. And but by December, the Bolsheviks controlled Moscow. And then after Petrograd, they got power in Moscow also. That another one major city of Russia. So we discuss the topics like this. Topics what we discuss. First point what we discuss, after February Revolution what happened, and we have seen they are making different committees, factory committee and other things, and they are starting their strike and other things. And after February they are starting with different committees already. And Lenin coming back by next topic, October Revolution. By that time Lenin coming back, and they are starting the they are trying to get take the power by all the soldiers and Soviets as well as workers together, and the Bolshevik party they are coming to the power. And by that is starting with the Petrograd, slowly it is reached to Moscow also. So by this we are stopping today's class, and you can read and understand. Take your time, read again and again and understand the lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.